Hi, Andy. I'm going to quickly show you where your colleague can view the activities as a student would. So once the trial course here is what you should see in your account, in your demo account. I'm going to go up to this course that I've just created. And in the gear button in the section, you'll see Create Sample Student, which you'll want to do down here in your trial course. So we'll create a sample student. We will receive a notification that tells us that the sample student has been created successfully. And then we'll go in and we'll log in as that sample student. And this will give us access to the site as a student. And after we accept all of the terms and conditions, it will take us to our landing page where we see the Portales textbook. We can click on the cover. This should look kind of familiar. And then now we have all of our activities. Students can click Start and do the activities sequentially, or they can go section by section, however they want to progress through the activities. You'll see that the tabs for the student are very similar to the instructor. They have notifications, announcements, and then some other reference tools they can access. So that is essentially how to access the activities as a student. If at any point the instructor wants to go back to the instructor page, they will return to, and then they'll see their name. So that is quickly how to access the activities as a student. I think once your colleague gets in and starts looking around at the activities, they should be able to navigate the student site. If you are interested, I'm more than happy to do a training or just a quick presentation to show you how Portales works. Thanks for your interest, and please let me know if you have any questions.